Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn picture time together, step by step. It is picture time. In this chapter, we look at fun pictures and learn to name the things we see. When we look at a picture, we point and name each thing. A cat, a ball, a tree, a house. Let us say them together. Let us learn some new words. Picture, look, see, name. We look at a picture and name what we see. The nice idea is that pictures can tell us a story. When we look carefully and talk about them, we learn many new words. To recap, at picture time, we look at pictures and name the things we see. Learning new words is fun. Well done. Great work. Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.